What if I told you your gut problems are not happening because you lack probiotics, but because your gut is inflamed, irritated, and exhausted? You take capsules, you drink yogurt drinks, you swallow powders with fancy labels, yet you still feel bloated, gassy, tired, constipated, anxious, foggy. Here's the uncomfortable truth: probiotics alone don't heal a damaged gut. Healing begins when you calm inflammation, repair the gut lining, and restore balance naturally. Today, I'll show you how ancient herbal medicine can heal your gut from the inside out, beyond probiotics, using powerful natural remedies for the most common digestive problems. Stay till the end, because the last herb I share is something most doctors never talk about, but your gut desperately needs. Your gut is not just for digestion, it controls your immunity, your mood, your hormones, your energy, even your sleep. Modern life has damaged it with processed foods, antibiotics, stress, sugar chemicals, and when your gut suffers, your whole body suffers. Herbs don't just mask symptoms, they work with your body to heal inflammation, kill harmful bacteria, and rebuild your digestive system naturally. Let's start with the most common gut problem. 1. Peppermint. For gas, bloating, and IB. Peppermint is not just a flavor, it's medicine for your intestines. Peppermint relaxes the muscles of your digestive tract. That means less cramping, less trapped gas, less bloating, less pain. If you feel like your stomach turns into a balloon after meals, peppermint is your first line of defense. How to use: peppermint tea after meals or peppermint oil capsules, enteric coated. This herb is especially powerful for people with IBS. 2. Ginger. For slow digestion and nausea. Ginger is a digestive fire starter. It speeds up digestion, reduces nausea, fights inflammation, kills harmful bacteria. If food feels like it just sits in your stomach for hours, that's slow digestion. Ginger gently pushes food forward through your system. How to use: fresh ginger tea. Add ginger to meals. Chew a small piece after heavy food. Bonus: ginger also reduces gut-related anxiety. 3. Fennel seeds. For gas and constipation. Fennel seeds are used in many cultures after meals, and for good reason. They reduce gas, calm spasms, improve bowel movement, freshen breath. If you suffer from painful bloating, constipation, tight stomach after eating, fennel can bring quick relief. How to use: chew 1/2 teaspoon after meals or drink fennel seed tea. Simple, cheap, powerful. 4. Slippery elm. For gut lining repair. Here's where real healing begins. Slippery elm coats your intestines like a natural bandage. It soothes irritation, heals ulcers, repairs gut lining, reduces acid reflux, calms inflammation. If you have burning stomach, leaky gut, chronic gastritis, frequent heartburn, this herb is gold. How to use: slippery elm powder mixed in warm water, taken before meals or before bed. Think of it as aloe vera for your intestines. 5. Turmeric. For chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the root of most gut problems. Turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces gut inflammation, balances gut bacteria, improves digestion, supports liver detox. If your gut issues come with joint pain, fatigue, brain fog, skin problems, turmeric can help from the inside. How to use: turmeric tea, turmeric with black pepper. Add to food daily. Consistency is key. Chamomile. For stress-related gut issues. Many gut problems are caused by stress, not food. Stress tightens your intestines. It slows digestion. It triggers cramps. Chamomile relaxes the gut, calms the nerves, improves sleep, reduces spasms. If your stomach acts up when you're anxious, this herb is perfect for you. How to use: Chamomile tea before bed or after stressful meals. Healing your gut requires calming your mind too. 7. Licorice root, DGL, for ulcers and acid damage. This is the herb most people don't know about. Deglycyrrhizated licorice, or DGL, heals damaged stomach tissue. It protects the stomach lining, reduces acid, helps ulcers heal, supports gut bacteria. If you have acid reflux burning, stomach history of ulcers, this herb can rebuild what acid destroyed. How to use: chewable, DGL tablets before meals. Important truth: herbs alone won't work if you keep damaging your gut daily. Healing requires less sugar, less junk food, more fiber, more water, better. Sleep, stress control. Think of herbs as workers. Your lifestyle is the construction site. If you keep destroying it, they can't rebuild it. Probiotics are helpful, but they are not enough. True gut healing comes from calming inflammation, repairing the gut lining, removing gas and toxins, restoring balance naturally. Nature already gave us the medicine. Peppermint, ginger, fennel, slippery elm, turmeric, chamomile, licorice root. Your gut doesn't need more chemicals. It needs care. It needs patience. It needs healing. If you learned something new today, give this video a like. Subscribe for more natural healing guides. And comment below, which gut problem do you suffer from most? Bloating, acid reflux, or constipation? Your gut journey starts today.